Hello students, today we will finish the remaining topics of the first chapter. Yes, moving further in the Jali. This Jali is from a library building in the Kerala. You can see this Jali. Let me show you. Yes, here. You can see these Jali patterns here. Here you can see the gap between the wall is called Jali. Okay. See how the edge of bricks is used to make a triangle in the shape. So it is zoomed out and see how bricks are placed. This is the one brick and this is the second bricks. They are placed together like this and a triangular shape is formed. A triangular shape is formed. Okay. Have you seen bricks that looks like triangle? Look at these bricks around the tree in this photo. Yes, we have seen in our home also. If a garden is there, then at some place this type of bricks will be placed. Okay, and then you will see a triangle. See here, a triangle is being made. Okay. Do you see the arc in this photo? So now what do you mean by arc? So this is arc. The shape is like semicircular at a okay. So this is arc. This is from the school in Faizabad. Okay. Find out. Look for the other arc around you and draw them. So I will show you one example. These are the two arcs. Okay, but it is not necessary to draw in your notebook. Yes, these are the two arcs. Find out, look for the other arc around you and draw them. Okay. Have you seen arc in bridges? Yes, I have seen arc in a bridge. The answer will be yes, I have seen arc in a bridge. Where else have you seen an arc? Okay, I have seen an arc in a tunnel. When you will pass in a tunnel, you will see arc are made on the entrance at the exit. A special arc. In this photo of Orcha, see how the arc is made. It has a nice name, Ghungat Wali Mehrab, the arc with a valley. So here you can see how beautiful a arc is made. I am highlighting this. See how beautiful an arc is made. So this is the whole arc. Okay. Isn't the jali of the windows beautiful? Yes, it is. How beautiful this arc looks like. It is made of thin bricks. Have you ever seen thin bricks? Look around. Yes, look around. Is there any thin brick you can see in your house? Jamal and Kalu, the mason of Jagriti school, said that their grandfather used many different kind of bricks. Some of these are shown in this photo. So in this photo you see the different kinds of brick used by the grandfathers of Jamal and Kalu. So the question is now, which of these brick have a curved edge? So if you will see in your textbook, you will find that this brick, this one brick and this one brick have the curved edges. In this you can't see, but if you see in your textbook, you will clearly see these bricks have a curved edges. How many faces do you see of the longest brick? So here is your longest brick and you will see two faces. This is one and this is two. No other faces will be seen. Is there any brick has more than 6 faces? No. No bricks can have a faces more than 6. Find out the size of brick. Have you seen brick of different size? Yes, there are many different kind of brick size. So now let's answer all these remaining question one by one. the size of a brick. Have you seen brick of different size? Okay, so A. How long it is? It is 9 inch in length. How wide it is? It is 4.5 inch wide. When you will measure a brick, you will see that it is a 9 inch in a length. It is 4.5 inch wide. Okay. Now next is Munia wants to make a wall 1 meter long. How many brick will she bid to put in a line? So the answer is she needs more than 4 bricks but less than 5 bricks to make a wall of 1 meter long. Question is Ganesh and Saiba live near a kiln. Kiln means a factory which made bricks. Kiln where bricks are made. So we can see here a photo of a kiln. So the question is how long is it? The chimney, how long it is? About 5 meter, about 50 meter, about 15 meter or about 50 meter. So the answer is the chimney's height is about 50 meters. Ganesha and Saiba loved to look at the patterns of the brick in a long line kept out to dry. They also watch how bricks are made. Here are the pictures from the brick kiln. These pictures are jumbled up. Look at them carefully. Write the order. So these are the 4 photos you can see, but we have to arrange in order that how the bricks are being made. So the first photo will be this, the first one. In that the soil is dug and now the soil will be put in this mold to give shape of the brick. So 1, 2. Now the third one will be like this. They will arrange the brick in the order, and then the fourth, and then the brick will be kept for drying. Okay, so the order will be the correct order in which a brick is made out of soil dug from the earth is C, D, B and A. Have you seen a brick kiln? Did you try to guess the number of brick kept there? So now see, let's what is the answer. Have you seen a brick kiln? Did you try to guess the number of bricks kept there? Yes, I have seen a brick kiln. There may be more than 1 lakh brick kept in the brick kiln. Okay. There are many brick kilns in India. 1,000 of them. Yes, 1,000 are there. More than 100,000. Can you imagine how big this number is? This number is called 1 lakh. Can you try to write it? Ask your friend where they have heard of a lakh. So now what is the question? Can you try to write 1 lakh? It is written as 1000000. If you want to write 1 lakh in a number, you can write like 10000. So how many zeros are there in 1 lakh, students? 5 zeros. Okay. Find out. Here, find out. Look at these photos and guess how many bricks are carried by this truck. So here you can see the 2 pictures of truck. You have to estimate how many bricks are kept in the truck. But due to this pandemic, you can't go outside. So I went outside and asked the truck driver that how many bricks can be kept in this truck. So he gave me the answer of 5,000 bricks. Okay. So 5,000 bricks can be kept in a truck. Now also find out from a truck driver how many bricks they can carry in one truck. A truck driver tells that he carries nearly 5,000 bricks in his trucks. Bhajan decided to buy a new brick from Brickabad. He bought 3,000 bricks. How much did he pay? So let's see. Here it is written. The price of old bricks is 1,200 rupees for 1,000 bricks. New bricks from Itnapur has rupees 1800 for 1000 bricks, and new bricks from Brickabad is for rupees 2000 for 1000 brick. So Bhajan decided to buy a new bricks from Brickabad. So let's see how much cost is of Brickabad bricks. It is of 2000 for 1000 brick. So how many brick? He wants 3000. So what we have to do? We have to multiply 2000 into 3. Okay. So the answer will be 6000. See, you can see here 2000 for 1000 bricks. So how many 1000? 3000 makes 1000 into 3 give us 3000. So if we multiply 1000 into 3, we have to multiply 2000 into 3. So 2000 into 3 equals to 6000 for 3000 new bricks. Guess what he will pay if buys 500 old bricks. So now let's see the price of old brick. For old bricks, we have to pay 1200 rupees for 1000 bricks. So for 1000 bricks, if you have to pay 1200 rupees, then for 500 bricks, what you have to pay? So 1000 is half of 500. If you divide 1000 by 2, if you divide 1000 by 2, then you will get 500. Okay, so if we divide 1000 by 2 and get 500, so we have to divide 1200 by 2, and what is that? Right, 600. So for 500 old bricks, he will pay rupees 600. So that is enough for today. We will end our lecture here, and I have uploaded one PDF file also in which some question answer are given, so that you have to write that question in your notebook. Thank you.